consistently low week to week, while there was buyer purchase activity despite the snow. It's Friday, January 26, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. This past week, 114 properties were listed for sale. 118 homes are coming soon to the market. 20 homes hit the market over the past week. 14 went under contract, 6 moved to pending, 13 homes sold at 98.7% list-to-sold ratio and selling in 9 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Truxton Heights for $3 million. Rentals in Annapolis remain consistent at 46 at $2,825 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 26, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week.